Dear all, this is CA Sujata. In today's Crack the Code series, let's understand some of the key changes that are made in the financial year 2024-25 relating to the ITR form. The number one is that you all know that in 23rd July 2024, due to budget amendment, there are a lot of changes in the capital gain. So when it comes to the capital gains, you are required to report the transactions which were prior to 23rd of July 2024 and post that, because in terms of long-term capital gains, when it comes to immobile property, there is a drastic change, and when it comes to sale of mutual funds or shares, whether it is short term or long term, there are increase in the tax rate. So you have to be extremely careful while reporting the long term or short term capital gain transactions, whether it is immobile property or sale of securities. The next reporting requirement is that those who claim deduction under ATU, that is either for himself or dependent ATDD, they are required to mandatorily report the acknowledgement number as well as the certificate number while filing the income tax return. This is compulsory. The next important change is that there is complete revamp of buyback taxation transactions. So any transaction that occurred post 1st October 2024, you are required to report it under income from other source. That means if there are any buyback which has happened by the company, then the shareholder is required to report, not the company. So it has to be reported under income from other source as dividend income. Another change is that up to last year, you are required to report assets and liability sheet only if your income crosses 50 lakhs. Whereas from this year, it has been enhanced to 1 crore. That means if your income is up to 1 crore, you are not required to fill up the details relating to your assets and liabilities. This year, while filing the income tax return, you have to ensure that the TDS code is correctly mentioned. This is also yet another change in the current. Stay tuned for more updates on income tax. Thank you.